Okay.
Next up, this is called Cool Sculpting.
Yes.
It's a non-invasive liposuction.
Now we're going the other end of the spectrum with something super techy. This has only been out a couple months, and using cold, we are actually killing fat cells. So we're looking at a before and after of kind of that back fat. You can see it on the side.
Yeah.
That's been really visibly reduced. And we're going to take a look at a video so you can see, oh my gosh.
So there's the tummy before and the after.
That's insane. Now I really want it.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive. So this is offered at Crutchfield Dermatology.
Crutchfield Dermatology, yes.
Those are their before and after photos.
Correct.
And then this is our model actually getting hers done, Suzette, right?
This is Suzette. And this is, you know, kind of a mommy makeover for her. This is post-pregnancy. She just has, you know, a small little area on her stomach that she wanted to tone up. You can see they're putting this kind of metal... There are two metal paddles in that device, and they're kind of holding the fat together and then zapping it with cold. For about an hour, she was there just laying on the table. It's freezing her fat, and the intensity of that cold is actually killing the fat cells. So unlike some of those other fat zapping laser treatments we're hearing about, those don't actually eliminate the fat cells for good.
Okay.
This really kills them. And you know, your body does not make new fat cells. Once they're gone, they're gone. So this is a permanent treatment as long as you maintain whatever you were doing before.
Okay.
You know, your usual daily regimen of exercise and diet.
Because you can always expand your other fat cells.
You
there
can.
are plenty there ready
Yes,
and happy to be expanded. So Suzette is here. And what did you think of this, Suzette?
It was painless. The room was very comfortable. Elizabeth was there, so I wasn't nervous.
Yeah.
And there was some mild discomfort for about 7 days following the treatment, where the area was a little bit red, a little bit sensitive to touch.
Okay.
But
did it feel cold, that thing on you?
It was freezing.
Yeah, it was freezing.
There was a moment.
Yeah.
So it was very, very cold. But after 20 minutes into it, you know, people say they can listen to their iPod or, you know, work on their computer. I don't know that I would go that far, but you could read a People magazine and, you know, just kick back and relax for about 45 minutes.
ViewTwinCitiesLive.com and, you know, watch some videos or whatever. So how long does it take? Because and how have you felt the results have been?
Dr. Crutchfield said not to expect dramatic results until about 8 weeks post-procedure. I would say in the 2.5 weeks since I've had the procedure, the muffin top no longer rides over the top of the pants, which is wonderful, and that was really, I was happy just to have that happen. And I've noticed some tightening and just some difference in the definition in my abdomen area, so hopefully with continued diet and exercise, he'll say you don't need any more.
Well, you're looking pretty good already there, lady, I gotta tell you. Thank you, Suzette. That's fantastic. And what about the price on that, Elizabeth?
That is $14.95. And if you need an additional treatment, the second one is at a reduced price.
Okay.